Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Weight Loss Club, your go-to source for tips on what to eat, drink, and do to lose weight effectively. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic: what happens to your body when you eat beans every day for a month. Stay tuned to find out the surprising benefits and why you should consider adding these powerful legumes to your diet. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about digestion. Eating beans daily can significantly improve your digestive health. Beans are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to your stool and preventing constipation. This fiber acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping things moving smoothly. Next, beans can be a great ally in your weight loss journey. The high fiber and protein content in beans help you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. Fiber slows down digestion, making you feel fuller for longer, while protein helps build and repair tissues and muscles. Another incredible benefit of eating beans is their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels. Beans have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This slow release helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to unhealthy snacking. Beans are also excellent for your heart. They are rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Lower cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, beans contain potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which support heart health and reduce inflammation. Eating beans daily can significantly boost your nutrient intake. Beans are a fantastic source of essential nutrients, including protein, iron, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, from oxygen transport to DNA synthesis and muscle function. If you often feel fatigued, beans might be the answer. The complex carbohydrates in beans provide a steady source of energy throughout the day, preventing energy crashes. Unlike simple carbs, complex carbs take longer to break down, giving you sustained energy and keeping you active. Your gut will thank you for eating beans. The fiber in beans acts as a probiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immune function and even mood. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption of beans can lower the risk of several chronic diseases. The nutrients and antioxidants in beans help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting against conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Improved muscle mass. Beans are an excellent plant-based source of protein, essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Whether you're looking to tone up or bulk up, including beans in your diet can help you achieve your fitness goals by providing the necessary protein for muscle repair and growth. Cost-effective nutrition. Beans are not only nutritious but also affordable. They provide a cost-effective way to get essential nutrients without breaking the bank. Incorporating beans into your diet can help you eat healthily while staying within your budget. Versatile and delicious. Beans are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and even desserts. Their versatility means you can enjoy them in different ways every day, preventing meal fatigue and making healthy eating more enjoyable. Environmental benefits. Eating beans is also good for the planet. Beans have a lower environmental footprint compared to animal-based protein sources. They require less water, land, and energy to produce, making them a sustainable choice for eco-conscious eaters. Weight maintenance. Finally, beans can help you maintain your weight once you've reached your goal. The combination of fiber, protein, and low glycemic index means beans can keep you full and satisfied, helping you avoid weight regain and maintain your healthy weight long term. If you found these benefits intriguing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to AG Weight Loss Club for more tips on how to eat, drink, and live a healthier life. Now, I have a question for you. Which benefit of eating beans every day are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys ever so much for watching, and remember, incorporating beans into your diet can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey and overall health. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep working towards your goals. See you in the next video.